Okay, learn Java methods. The toString method. When we print out objects, we often see a string that is not very helpful in determining what the object represents. In the last lesson, we saw that when we printed our store objects, we would see output store at 6BC7C054, where store is the name of the object and is its position in memory. So instructions number 1 in the main method, print objects eliminate stand and cookie shop. Are these printouts helpful in understanding these objects? So let's start off here in the main method. Eliminate stand. Then cookie shop. Okay, so there we get the two different stores. So now I'll create a toString method for the store class. Rather string toString. Okay, so number 3, store isn't very helpful. What kind of store is it? Change the toString to return a string that describes the store object. So if we return the string, it's going to be the store, or rather this store. It sells product type at a price of price. A product type and price are the values in those instance fields. For example, if it was hat store where hats cost 8, the string would say the store sells hats at a price of 8. Okay, so this is going to change. So this store sells products, product type. This is also going to change here. At a price of the price. Let's just add this, otherwise it's not going to work. If we run that, there you go. The store sells lemonade at a price of 3.75. Okay, but I'm still getting an error. So why am I still getting an error? Maybe it's because of my spacing over here. Try that out. Yeah, it was exactly because of that small space that I had at the beginning of the sentence. So look at the printouts again. Are they more helpful now? Yeah, the store sells cookies at a price of 5.0. That's right. So let's run that again. There you go. We're done for that for now. Let's move on. Okay, so adding parameters. We saw how methods scope prevents us from using variables declared in one method in another method. What if we had some information in one method that we needed to pass into another method? Right, so let's get straight to instructions. Add a method to the store class called greetCustomer. It should be accessible by other classes and return no output. For now, have it take no parameters and leave the body of the method empty. So we're going to start with public class. This greetCustomer. We run that. Sorry, this is not supposed to be public class. This is supposed to be public void. Yeah. Okay, so number 2, modify the greetCustomer method so that it accepts a string parameter called customer. Okay, so we're just going to add the string parameter here. It's customer. Number 3, inside of the greetCustomer method, add a print statement to print welcome to the store plus customer. Okay, so number 4, inside the main method, call the greetCustomer method on the lemon stand object, pass in a string argument of your choice. So inside the main method, the lemonade stand. What's greetCustomer? We're gonna add our own argument. Let's just call our argument, for instance, lover. Welcome to the store, lover.